Have you ever dreamed of becoming a successful trader, making smart moves in the market? A lot of people have, but what really separates the successful ones from the rest? It's not about having a crystal ball or some secret formula. Today, we're going to break down the real qualities you need to cultivate to become a genuinely good trader. First things first, let's bust a myth. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a profession, a marathon, not a sprint. The number one quality every great trader possesses is discipline. It's the ability to create a solid trading plan and stick to it, no matter what. This means defining your entry and exit points, your risk tolerance, and your position sizing before you even think about clicking that buy button. When the market gets choppy and emotions run high, your discipline is the anchor that keeps you from making impulsive, disastrous decisions. It's about doing the right thing, not the easy thing. Next up is patience. The market has its own rhythm, and you can't force it to dance to your tune. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. A good trader can wait for days or even weeks for the perfect setup that aligns with their strategy. They don't chase every little price movement out of fear of missing out. They understand that high-quality opportunities are worth waiting for. Patience also applies to your growth as a trader. You won't become a master overnight. It takes time to learn, to make mistakes, and to refine your approach. Be patient with the market, but also be patient with yourself. Now, let's talk about a big one. Emotional control. Greed and fear are the two biggest enemies of a trader. Greed makes you hold onto a winning trade for too long, hoping for just a little more, only to watch it turn into a loser. Fear makes you panic sell at the bottom or hesitate to take a valid trade. A good trader operates like a pilot in a storm, calm, collected, and focused on executing the plan. They treat both wins and losses as data points, learning from them without getting emotionally attached. They know that a single trade doesn't define their success. It's the consistent application of their strategy over hundreds of trades that matters. Another crucial trait is the commitment to continuous learning. The markets are constantly evolving. Strategies that worked last year might not work this year. A good trader is a perpetual student. They read books, follow market news, analyze their own trades to see what went right and what went wrong, and are always looking for ways to improve their edge. They are humble enough to know they don't know everything and curious enough to keep searching for answers. This intellectual curiosity is what keeps them sharp and adaptable in an ever-changing environment. Finally, risk management is the bedrock of a long-term trading career. You can have the best strategy in the world, but without proper risk management, one bad trade can wipe you out. Good traders are obsessed with managing their downside. They never risk more than a small, predefined percentage of their capital on a single trade. They use stop losses religiously. They understand that their primary job isn't to make money, but to protect the capital they have. By protecting your capital, you ensure you can stay in the game long enough for your winning strategy to play out. So, to sum it up, becoming a good trader isn't about luck. It's about building a fortress of discipline, patience, emotional stability, a hunger for knowledge, and ironclad risk management. It's a journey of self-mastery as much as it is a journey of market mastery. Focus on developing these qualities, and you'll be well on your way. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. See you in the next one.